Hey guys, I'm Seema from SeemaClayJewelry and Seema Clay Flowers, and I'm here today to introduce you to the next online class. This class is about human sculpting from polymer clay, which is the making of this fairy doll pendant, which is hardly 3 inches in height, and it's completely handmade. Absolutely no molds are used in any process. So the complete face, her dress, her hair, everything is made by hand. Even the natural wings and the log on which she's sitting and swinging, that is completely handmade. You can see a close-up view of the different parts of the doll in the pictures ahead. So if you found the pictures appealing and you enjoy working with polymer clay, and if human sculpting is your thing and you want to make your own dolls, then this class is meant for you. With the help of this online class, you'll be able to make your own fairy doll pendants. You can make a fairy doll pendant, you can make a keychain, you can make a cake topper. Basically, you can do anything with the knowledge that you have. And as you know that we personalize online videos as well, if there is something else that you want to learn in polymer clay, feel free to reach me at my mobile number. If you have any thoughts, please put a comment down. I would love to read it and reply back to you. You can follow me on SeemaClayJewelry on Facebook, Instagram, and hey, please hit the subscribe button so that you know whenever there's a new class that is being launched. So until I come back to you with the next video, you take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.